Hello kids, how are you? Yes, this is Shipra on behalf of Yellow Class. Welcome you for a nice DIY activity which are simple and easy. But before I tell you what we are going to do today, you all know what we do, yes? So let's start. Let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. Okay, so let me just tell you what we are going to make today. We are just going to make this simple lollipop. Isn't it beautiful? Just simple lollipop, and it's quite easy. What you need is, you need colors, watercolors, acrylic colors, but basically we'll prefer taking tube colors, okay? A thick white color sheet or any color will do. And a brush, which is just wet, okay? It's just little wet, okay? And let me just start what we are going to do. We are going to take bright colors, kids. So I have taken red, white, bright green, orange. So you can take any colors. It should be bright colors. Okay. And this brown color for the stick of the ice cream. Okay. And let me just start. Three dots of same color. Now let me just do these stick first. For this stick, you simply have to just put little brown color here. Okay. So any colors which you like, which you love, you can use that. That should be just bright. It will look nice. So we are just simply putting a dot in a straight line with different colors. Okay. And in the end, just white color we need, so that wherever we have little dark shades, the white will mix it properly. And with your wet brush, you will start rotating it. So my brush is wet. Even you can rotate your sheet also, kids. Okay, you can rotate your sheet also. And round we'll go. So if you feel that it is difficult for you to rotate the brush, you can just rotate your sheet also, okay? So my brush was just simply wet. And wherever you feel, you can just add little color. Like I'm just adding little red here to give it an outline of red. And so basically we have used these paints only to give that. And my brush was only wet, as I told you. Okay. And now this brown color we can use to make the stick. If you think you want to add little dark color, you can use more color to it. And just simple stick of yours. And your lollipop is ready. So I have just simply used different colors both the time and just rotated it with my wet brush. This is all you have to do, kids. Okay, so you can use it as your decoration thing anywhere. You can just write your name and you can use it. I hope the instructions were clear. Do share your pictures, do share your feedback, and we really look forward to your pictures. So it's time to say bye. We are going to again meet with the new DIY activity. Bye bye, kids.